Good evening. I am Ruthie Bass from Texas. I am married to Lewis Bass. We have two children, Lewis and Lauren. Lewis is a truck driver, and Lauren is my opera singer. I love traveling. I've been all over Europe. My favorite place in Europe was London. And just recently, January of 2018, I visited the countries of Australia and New Zealand. I love exercising, gardening, and also assisting with the different programs at my church, Impact Church of the Woodlands. I am a retired educator of 25 years. I retired in December 2016. I spent 19 years in the classroom as a business education teacher, and in the last 6 years in Galena Park ISD, I was a career and technical education coordinator. I'm pursuing a second master's degree from Liberty University in educational technology and online instruction. My first master's was from the University of Houston Clear Lake. I received a Master of Science in Educational Leadership with principal certification. I will complete this degree at LU in August 2018. Yes. And what I plan to do is utilize all of the skills and the knowledge that I've obtained from this degree to help or assist the new teachers coming into the educational profession. Let them know all the current technologies and all the cool things that they could do with different technology applications to enhance the students in the classroom. Well, I look forward to having a great time with all of you. Good evening. Bye bye now.